I just came home from work and I wanted to show you what I got in my Influenster box. So this is the first time I am seeing this. As with all Vox boxes, it comes with this info card. So this is the Glow in 20s Vox box. And this just says what's in here. And then this is just a little pamphlet from Type A. So let's take a look. The first thing in here is from Gold Bond, and this is their Radiance Renewal Whipped Shea Butter. It also came with this Type A deodorant in the Dreamer. These are some Tic Tacs, and it came with 2 flavors. And the last thing in here is the Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Tripeptide Moisturizer. If you'd like me to do a review on any of these items, let me know. And thank you so much for watching.